Map is a data structure where elements are stored in key-value pair and where key is always unique. In C++, we have two kinds of map. The first one is the unordered map. Unordered map implements hash tables, so which means that the elements are stored in a table where the key is with the key value pair, and operations for adding and removing from the hash map is from the unordered hash map is of 1 constant, because elements are located by the hash code. So we are generating a hash code, and by that hash code we are searching for we are fetching the element by key based on that hash code. But it can also increase to of n in case if, let's say, our hash code generation function is not written optimally and we have too many collisions. So in that case the time complexity could be of n in the worst case scenario. So for example, in this case we are creating unordered map from the standard namespace, and the key is being integer and the value is being the string. So we are saving here 3 as a number and the 3 as a string value of it, and we are saving 1 and 1, and we are saving 2 and the 2. If we print these values, right, they will be in unordered, so there won't be any order, so keys won't be sorted in ascending order. That is the difference between unordered map and the ordered map. It's another kind of map in the hash in C++. So in unordered map, unlike unordered map, it implements binary search tree, specifically red-black tree. So the elements are sorted by key, and the operations usually have, since it's a binary search tree, operations usually have log n time complexity. So for example, in this case, again, we are creating a map with the keys being integer and the values being the string, and we are adding again elements 3, 1 and the 2. If we print these values, so in the first one, in the unordered map, the result would be they are not sorted, keys is not sorted, so it's just a 2, 1 and the 3. But in case of the ordered map, because the second one is using binary search tree, more specifically red-black tree, keys are sorted in ascending order.